Going to talk about air quality in San Antonio on this weather impact alert, and that's the reason why this alert is important, because this is definitely something impacting you and your family. But first, the drought report on Thursday. Remember the soaking rains of Saturday, Sunday, tallying upwards of 3 inches of rain to even 3.5 in some cases. Well, it definitely had a positive impact on what you're looking at. The new drought report shows us a nice shrinking area of extreme drought for Bexar County. Still about a half red showing, but this was a nice little shrink too on the exceptional drought area. This is a smaller pocket now, just southern Medina County, and then no drought now. Kerr County, half of Kendall. Fredericksburg, of course, is Gillespie County, Blanco County. This is a bigger story today, though. An ozone action day was issued, and I don't know that I've ever seen San Antonio air quality at unhealthy for all groups. I've seen plenty of code orange, which means unhealthy for sensitive groups like asthma sufferers, COPD, anything respiratory related, but it's unhealthy today for everybody. And that's still the case here as well as in Houston this afternoon, because we must have cooked up a lot of bad ozone today. Remember that added emissions to the atmosphere in daytime heating is what that does. And winds have been calm to, under 10 miles per hour most of the day. So nice looking day, though. A little bit of haze over downtown with 92 on the thermometer. Feels the same with an east-southeast wind about 7 miles per hour. To San Antonio International, today's almanac a little above average as we're slowly climbing, a little bit warmer every afternoon. So today is 93, 10 shy. Boy, this was a hot year. All of this week's records from this same year, 1893, and they're staying in place. All right, temperatures this evening will stay in the 90s through 8, and then some 80s heading into the late evening hours, so a warm evening for sure on Thursday night plans. A few downpours came in from southeast Texas, made it to about Victoria, almost Cuero, and then you can see a few showers across I-35 near Cotulla and Carrizo Springs, but not very much at all. A drop or two is about all you can expect when high pressure is in control. It'll divert this next system to the north as well, so we're staying quiet. Tropics still relatively quiet. We've got one system out in the Pacific that's going to head west and then farther east, and we've got a 20% chance what you see here will develop in the far east Atlantic. We'll keep an eye on it. We're at the height of hurricane season, even though we don't have too much going on now, and only 6 named storms thus far. 14-day forecast from the Riverwalk, mid-90s all the way through the weekend. 10% chance we see a shower Tuesday, Wednesday, and that's it. And it's only 10%. Mid-90s are holding even until we cool off a little for the first day of fall.